Unless we secretly are a superhero, our body requires sleep. Very often, when bedtime comes at the end of a busy day, it's hard to allow the body and mind to slow down. We check email, we scroll through our social media, and we fall down the rabbit hole. Before we know it, it's already midnight. The blue light from the electronic devices have thrown off our circadian rhythm, and we can no longer fall asleep properly. A good night's rest affects how we relate to the world, increases stress resilience, optimism, memory, metabolism, and most importantly, gives our body a vital opportunity to heal the self. A helpful first step in shifting our relationship with sleep is turning off our phone and other digital devices an hour before bed and getting under the covers before 11 pm. If rest is not coming easy to you and support is needed, get in bed and try these 5 restorative sequences followed by deep relaxation audio. You will need 2 or 3 pillows and lots of slow, deep breaths. Chandra Bhedana Pranayama. Chandra Bhedana Pranayama is very effective in helping to calm and quiet the nervous system, which helps us transition into a restful sleeping state. This breath activates the left side of your body, which relates to lunar energy, the parasympathetic nervous system response, and your ability to induce a deep inner quiet. Sit comfortably on your bed with your spine tall. Place your thumb over your right nostril and your ring finger and the little finger over your left nostril. Blocking your right nostril, inhale fully through the left nostril. Hold and retain the breath gently, then exhale through the right nostril. This is one cycle. Repeat it for 10 times and then gently release your hand back down. Work towards a 1:1:1 ratio, extending each breath and the retention as long as you comfortably can. Marjari Asana. Stand on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Make sure your knees are set directly below your hips and your wrists, elbows and shoulders are in line and perpendicular to the floor. Center your head in a neutral position, eyes gently closed. As you inhale, raise your chin and lower your spine towards the floor. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, making sure to keep your shoulders and knees in position. Release your head towards the floor, but do not force your chin to your chest. This is one cycle. Repeat this 10 times. Ardha Pavana Muktasana. Lie flat on your back with an optional pillow behind your head. Straighten and extend one leg long in front of you and bend the other leg, hugging it in towards your chest. Interlace fingers around your shin or behind the knee of your bent leg. With closed eyes and a relaxed jaw, breathe into your belly. Stay for as long as you would like, then switch sides. Meru Parvatasana. Lie flat on your back. Extend your arms straight out at shoulder level. Bend both legs at a 90 degrees angle and let them fall to the right and turn your head to the left. With eyes closed and jaw and belly relaxed, focus on feeling the breath flow all the way up into your collarbones. Stay for as long as you would like and then switch sides, twisting to the left and turning head to the right. Supta Baddha Konasana. Lie flat on your back. Bring the soles of your feet together with legs bent. Place a pillow under both thighs and an optional pillow behind the head. Place hands on the abdomen. With eyes closed and jaw relaxed, bring your awareness to your hands resting on your abdomen. Focus on feeling the rise and fall of your torso with each slow and deep breath in and out. Stay for as long as you would like and then slowly release. Allow your body to rest in Shavasana with your feet spaced at least 5 inches apart, hands spaced away from your body, palms facing up and the fingers slightly flexed. We will now be slowly entering into the guided deep full body relaxation technique. Let your whole body weight fall on the bed. Let your muscles and joints be completely free. Now slowly bring your awareness to your toes. Give gentle movements to your toes and relax. Loosen the sole of your feet. Loosen your heels. Loosen your ankle joints and let the feet completely fall free. Relax your calf muscles and your shin. Gently tighten your knee joints. Tighten, 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 and very slowly set your knees free. Relax your thighs. Relax the front of your thighs. Relax the inside of your thighs. Relax the back of your thighs and the outer part of your thighs. Let your legs fall freely on the bed. Tighten your hips, your groins, your entire pelvic region. Tighten, tighten, and then slowly release. Slowly move your awareness upwards to your spine and your back muscles. Release your spine, loosen your lower back, loosen your middle back, relax your upper back, relax your shoulders, relax your neck muscles. Slowly relax your arms, relax your elbow joints, relax your forearms, relax your palms and your fingers. Relax the back of your head. Relax the crown of your head. Relax your forehead, your eyebrows, your eyes, your cheeks, chin, and your lips. Now observe the flow of prana, the breath in the nostrils. Do not manipulate your breathing. Just observe the sensation in the nostrils. Now slowly move the awareness down to your chest and the abdomen. Relax your chest and the abdominal muscles. Now slowly release the surface awareness from the body and enter the awareness to your breath. Inhale deep into your navel region, which is the seat of silence, the divine tranquility. Fill it up like a balloon for 4 counts and watch this calmness expanding and flowing in the whole body. Hold this breath for 4 counts and slowly exhale for 4 counts. Be aware of a state of release, a state of emptying, clearing and cleansing within. Do this for 5 long deep breaths. Now slowly move the awareness from the breath to the physical body and feel the weightless expression, the freeness in your body. Stay connected to this blissful state of inner silence. Cherish the happiness, lightness, and calmness in you. May your dreams be sweet and your sleep refreshingly deep. Thank you.